Were you or someone you know in a car accident recently? Did you contact an attorney? Well, Valley attorney Joseph Brown, he has a unique background, and he's here to educate us with some helpful information. Good to see you.
Nice seeing you. Thank
and you
you.
said a lot of folks got in crashes over the holiday.
Unfortunately, it's a big time. Yes.
It is a big time, and unfortunately, we make the big mistake of not doing what we need to do. Is it important for us to contact a firm that is both accident and injury law?
I think you definitely want someone that focuses on accident and injuries. You want someone who understands day to day. That's what they practice. That's what they understand. That's the law they focus on and the law they learn about, as opposed to someone who does DUIs or bankruptcies or tries to do bankruptcies and no longer does them. You want someone that really just puts their time in and effort to understand every little nuance of accidents and injuries.
And you, I know you're a Valley attorney, but prior to this, you were an insurance adjuster.
I was.
So how does that help us as a client?
Well, I think I understand the ins and outs. I understand what an insurance company is looking for, what an adjuster is looking for, understand their day-to-day job, and I've done it so I can help them, put the best case for you. They want to get the case off their desk, and if you put it in front of them the right way, a lot of times you got a good chance of settling.
All right, so let's talk about insurance coverages.
Yes.
What should we be purchasing and what should we be avoiding?
Well, first thing, you want to purchase uninsured, underinsured. 60% of drivers in Arizona either drive with the Arizona minimum, which is $15.30, which they're trying to change to $25.50 right now, or no insurance at all. So that's uninsured's no insurance. Underinsured means they don't have enough to cover your injuries. You could have a big hospital bill and it eats up $15,000 really quick. Medical payments coverage, very cheap, the best coverage in my opinion by far, helps pay your medical bills. You could cause the accident and still access your medical payments coverage. With high copays and deductibles, that helps pay for that.
And that's a big mistake that people make, because we talked about this. We want to keep our insurance prices down, so we may skimp a little bit. You said that's not smart.
Not smart at all. I see a lot of people who are well-to-do or do well for themselves have really high limits because they don't want to lose their house. They don't want to be sued, but then they don't protect their family. Uninsured, underinsured, MedPay all protects you and your family. So you want to keep those limits, uninsured and underinsured, the exact same as your liability limits, even if it means maybe reducing your liability a little bit so you can increase your uninsured and underinsured.
Right.
MedPay is usually $5,000. It's usually less than $10 a month, so it's very inexpensive.
And when going in, we're like, oh, the bottom line is this.
Exactly.
All right, so what makes your clients a VIP at ALG, which of course is your tagline?
Well, I think it's the fact that, I was an adjuster. I know what they're going to do before they do it. I've been in an accident. My partner's been in an accident. We've lived it. We understand it. We can relate to our clients, and our clients can get to us. You meet with an attorney every time when you come in. You don't sit down with a paralegal and an attorney comes in and explains the fee agreement. You're actually sitting with us in the beginning of the case, and we understand your case. In addition to, you can reach us. Our emails are available. We talk to our clients.
And I know you're pretty emotional when you talk about being an adjuster, because you get ticked off at some of the things you had to do.
Well, I do. I get frustrated. Insurance companies, they're looking at the bottom line. They're not looking at the person. I had an adjuster, or I had a supervisor tell me when I was an adjuster I needed to deny a claim. I felt it was definitely wrong. I thought I was going to get fired over it because I refused. I'm currently in a couple cases against insurance adjusters who just don't understand that, and I know their boss is saying you need to deny the claim, and we're going to have to file suit, and we don't hesitate to do that when we have to, but it's frustrating because you got a billion-dollar company fighting you over sometimes not even, tens of thousands of dollars.
Right, and where's the human kindness, right, when an accident happens? We just want to...
I understand. I mean, one of the things that drives my clients nuts most frequently is over the holidays, you get in an accident, you get rear-ended by somebody, they never even get out and say, I'm sorry, or never even check on you, make sure you're okay.
Well, let's give you some information. Accident Law Group, they have two locations, 3923 South McClintock Drive, Suite 400. That location's in Tempe. They have a second location, 15650 North Black Canyon Highway, Unit 155B, that's in Phoenix. 602-262-4ALG, or visit their website, accidentlawgroup.com.